Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Today we are here for your SST class, and in SST class we are going to do the history part. This is the fourth lesson of SST class. Your book name is history, and this is your book name is history, and this is for class 7. Now we will open the content page. Here is the content page. On the content page, chapter 1, Mughal Empire, the foundation, page number 3. We have done the reading of all this chapter. If you remember, we have done the book work also. Here is the book work. We have done the book work. Now we are going to do the short question answers. In the previous class, we have done the question number 1 and the question number 2. Today we will do the question number 3. How Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun in the Battle of Kannauj. How Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun in the Battle of Kannauj. Move to the answer. The answer is on the page number 16. Here is the answer. A failed attempt to review Humayun as king. First and second paragraph, you will left these two paragraphs. You will start from the paragraph number 3. When Sher Shah heard about Humayun's preparation for war, he immediately went to Kannauj and in advance camped at his favorite spot. Humayun was forced to camp his troops in a low-lying place. Meanwhile, rain started and Humayun's camp came underwater. While his soldiers were busy in changing their camping site, Sher Shah suddenly attacked and Humayun's soldiers left the battlefield without any fight. Thus, Sher Shah won this battle easily. This is the question number 3 on the page number 16. Move to the question answers. Now we will do the question number 4 also. Here is the question number 4. In the region of Sher Shah Suri, which two basic officials were appointed to run official affairs? In the region of Sher Shah Suri, which two basic officials were appointed to run official affairs? Question number 4 is on the page number 20. Administration of the empire. In this, the point number 2, Head Shikdar. There were mainly two officials appointed to run the affairs of the government, Head Shikdar and Head Munsif. Head Shikdar was in charge of administrative matters. He was, move to the next page, responsible for law and order. Amin was in charge of financial matters and regulate the enforcement and collection of revenue. The most important function of Shikdar was to enforce the edicts of the king. Moreover, monitoring the work of Shikdar in small administrative units, parganas and villages were also among his duty. Second point, Head Munsif. Head Munsif was responsible for settling the lawsuits. These two officials had some subordinate staff. In each pargana, there were one Shikdar, a treasurer and two scribes. One of these scribes was for keeping the record in Hindi and other in Persian. Patwaris, Chaudhris and Muqaddam were a direct link between the people and the government. This is the question number 4. Now move to again the question page. Here is the question page. Question number 5. We will also do the question number 5. Which social welfare institutions were established by Sher Shah Suri? Which social welfare institutions were established by Sher Shah Suri? Here is the answer on the page number 25. 5 short institutions of social welfare. Sher Shah started from a humble statue and through his capabilities became the ruler of the subcontinent. Most of his policies are proof of his caring for common people. He established many institutions of public welfare where free food was provided for the poor and the destitute all the time. He also constructed hospitals and schools to educate his people. Till here, I hope you will write these 3 questions on your notebook and also learn them properly. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.